Hey guys, welcome to Fibers in the Wind if you're new, or welcome back if you've been to the channel before. And in today's video, we are going to be exploring and mastering how to crochet my new half double flowering upside down stitch. This is a stitch I invented a few years ago, and if you'd like to learn how to crochet the single crochet version of the flowering upside down stitch, you can head straight to my channel and watch that now. It's already up and live on the channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. But in today's video, we are going to be learning how to crochet the half double version of the flowering upside down stitch. It's easy, it's beginner friendly, so let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so for this tutorial, you will need yarn. I'm using these two skeins, particularly because I don't have any thicker yarn available to me. It's all packed away in boxes. And this yarn is so thin it would be hard to demonstrate how to do the stitch, so we are using two together. Also, this is not a learn how to crochet tutorial. You will need to know basic crochet skills in this video. If you don't know how to crochet yet, go onto YouTube and find a video on how to crochet, and then come back and watch this video. Also, for this tutorial, you will need however many chains or stitches you want for your project plus one. So if your project needs to be 9 stitches, you then will need to chain 10 chains. And you will also need to do a base row of whatever stitch you choose, single, double, half double, it doesn't matter, because it's difficult and impossible to crochet this specific stitch inside of a chain. So I have already done that here. And then you're just going to chain one if you want to. Turn your work and let's get started. So in this stitch, I'm showing you, you have right here you have the front loop and then the back loop. You are going to want to put a stitch marker in said front loop because we're going to start out by working in the back loop, and it's going to pull the front loop tight, making it a little more difficult to see / work into, so this will be an easy way to find it. So yarn over, move your stitch marker out of the way. You're going to work in the back loop only, yarn over, pull up your loop. That's going to give you 3 loops on your hook. This one needs to be on there. 1, 2, 3. Take your stitch marker out. So I'm just going to show you that right there is your front loop, and what you're going to do is do not yarn over or anything. You're just going to leave your 3 loops on the hook, stick it through the front loop and through the back loop, going through the entire stitch, yarn over, pull through, leaving 4 loops on your hook. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through just the first 2. Whoops. Just the first 2, leaving 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 of those loops. So yarn over, a top view, stick your hook in the back loop only. It's kind of hard for me because I had double stranded it. Grab your project, yarn over, pull up a loop. Whoops. We didn't go through all the fibers. Go through all the fibers. So yarn over, pull up, you have 3 loops on your hook. Then, right here, where the front loop is right there, if you can see it, I'm bringing it close so you can see it. Stick your hook right there, yarn over, pull through. You should have 4 loops on your hook at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through your first 2. Leaving 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So I'm going to show you one more time. Yarn over, Stick your hook in the back loop only, making sure to grab all the fibers. Yarn over, pull through, make 3. Go through the front loop, which is right here. Stick through the entire stitch, front and back loop. Yarn over, pull up. There's 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, causing you problems. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and pull through all 3. So keep doing that until you get to the end. We'll come back and I will show you what the end of your row is looking. Okay, so we have finished our row. This is what we are looking like. Another pro tip is to place a stitch marker in the front loop of your final stitch, because I find personally for me that the final stitch of every row is just a little bit harder to work in than all of the other stitches. This is what we're working with, and I did crochet a small sample off camera that I thought I could show you. Actually, I crocheted a couple of samples. So this is the sample that we are working with here that I wanted to show you, and this is an up close view of what these samples. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to crochet the half double flowering upside down stitch. And if you're interested and you thought this type of tutorial and this stitch was really fun and you want to see more of this content, you can actually go check out my YouTube channel and watch the single crochet version of this crochet stitch, just the regular flowering upside down stitch. That is already live and posted on my channel. And if you would like and are interested, comment down below and let me know if you want to learn how to crochet the double crochet flowering upside down stitch. And if you'd like to see that, I would be more than happy to post a tutorial for that. You're going to want to subscribe if you like this type of content. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye for now. Because it would be hard to see on camera. So this is what we're working with. You can see the stitch definition there. Let me just show you the top and get it up real close and personal. So this is what it looks like. The stitch definition is beautiful. Let me just put a hook in it so you can see exactly that beautiful stitch definition and what it looks like. It is such a beautiful, beautiful stitch.